Hi. In this video, we will explore the Weld Splice command in Fabrication Mode using the VTS Virtual Tower Structures software. In this example, the main legs of the column are continuous along the segments, and each leg is bent twice, once at the bottom and once at the top of the rigid connection. To assign a weld splice at the end of each segment, we first switch to Engineering Mode. Then, from the Tower tab, we open the Connections drop-down menu and select the Connection Schemas command. We click the plus sign here to create a new connection schema. First, we select the connection type. For this example, we choose a welded splice. We can then rename the tab as needed and click OK to close the window. We assign the weld splice connection in the same way we would assign a splice connection. We click the Segments command here to open the Column Segments definition window. Then we select the first segment, and we assign the welded splice connection from the drop-down menu here. We can repeat these steps for the remaining segments. Once finished, we will regenerate the engineering model using the Generate command here before switching back to the Fabrication Mode. Once back in Fabrication Mode, we regenerate the fabrication model as well. We can now see that the weld splice has been created. Finally, to specify the weld parameters in Fabrication Mode, under the Tower tab, we select the Connection Schema command. In the Connection Schema definition window, we select Welded Splice, and additional parameters can be defined here, including the weld type, such as square groove, V-groove, and others, along with the weld grade, depth, finish, and other characteristics. We've now completed this tutorial on the Weld Splice command in Fabrication Mode using the VTS Virtual Tower Structures software. If you need more information or have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team.